light me up and baby kiss me. Come and baby do it quickly. I don't wanna talk, so keep my mouth busy, little missy. I feel like burning. You're who I'm yearning. I'm ready for friction. Spark, 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 fly. Up, 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 high. Baby, make me feel like I never felt before. Hold me close by your side. Baby, never let me go through the night. As I open my eyes, baby, kiss me from my nose down to my mind.
Baby, come here and I'll make you see. Take you to a place where we can be free. Boy, put me on fire. Come on, baby, take me higher and fulfill my desire. Don't talk, just give it a try and blow my mind. Don't keep me waiting. I know you want it. Now let's get it started. Let me feel me. Baby, let me hear it. That you want it more. Hold me close
By your side.
by your side. Never let me go, never let me go, never let me go. As I open my eyes, kissing on your nose, feel mine, baby.
Oh, baby. Where'd you learn to work that way? You were driving me insane. Would you come with me, babe? Hold me close by your
Let me go. You decide.
Open my eyes, baby, kiss me all
Make love
on your side.
What's up guys? Andito na pala tayo sa Kabuyo Public Cemetery. Yan. Titira tayong kandila guys. Today is June 16 guys. Birthday ni Papa. Ngayon ika 53rd birthday niya na now. Pumunta natin siya ngayon kasi matagal na nung huli ang pumunta dito guys. Kaya baka kasi magtana pa si Papa eh. Titignan ako kandila. Then ko pa siya ng tawag dito ng pajibar guys. Saan na yun? Ito guys, masisilbing cake kay Papa. Wait lang guys ha. Guys, ito na pala si Papa guys. Yan guys, ayun si Papa. Hello Papa. Sama ka sa vlog ko ha. Sorry pa, ngayon ako nakadalaw. Sorry. Guys, titirik muna tayong ganda. Sakripisyo na ginawa ko para sa akin. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun. At mananatili yun sa pusong isip ko. Salamat. Kasi hindi mo pinabayaan. Hindi mo pinabayaan. Simulan mo pinulagin. Alam nyo guys, si Papa masungit. Strict yan sa akin guys. Napaka-strict sa akin. Ayun yun, umuwi ako ng gabing-gabi na. Ayaw nila guys. Ayaw nila yung ganun. Pero hindi pasaway ako. Maraming beses kong sinaway. Lutos niya. Pero lahat ng yun sisisiyan ko. Ganun talaga guys. Pag yung tao kinuha na, wala na. Wala tayong magagawa. I'll be back later guys. Off ka muna ako. Tara guys, paano tayo papa? Pa, bye bye. Kung nasan ka man ngayon naroon, sana'y gabayan nyo ako. Gabayan mo ako sa tatahakin kong buhay. I'm happy papa na andyan ka na sa langit ngayon. Kasama mo na sila lolo at lola. Pa, thank you sa lahat. We love you, we miss you. Again, happy 53rd birthday papa. I love you always and forever. Bye papa. Happy birthday ulit papa. Bye bye. Let's go guys. Guys, si papa guys, masungit yun. Napakasungit nun guys. Pero kahit masungit yun, love na love tayo nun guys. Kaya guys, kayo kung kasama nyo pa ang mama at papa ninyo, pahalagaan at ingatan nyo sila at ibigay nyo yung dapat na pagmamahal na deserve nila. Huwag maging matigas ang ulo sa kanila. Palagi tayong sumunod dahil hindi natin alam kung anong araw, panahon o oras sila kukunin sa buhay natin. Muli guys, this is Angelo Marco Official. Inaanayahan ko po pala kayo na mag-like, comment, and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. At huwag niyo pong kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para mas lagi po kayo updated sa mga bagong video ko i-upload. Muli, this is Angelo Marco Official. See you on my next vlog. Grabe guys, kakaiyak. Bye bye.